Hey everyone, and welcome back to I Understand AI. Have you ever found yourself talking to ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, and just
For
not getting the
goodness
results you
sake.
hoped for? Or maybe you nailed that perfect prompt, but then completely forgot it a week later? You're not alone. I've been there. And that's why today, we're diving into a game-changing concept: how to build your first AI prompt library. So what exactly is an AI prompt library? It's more than just a list. Think of it as your personal toolkit, your secret weapon for consistently getting amazing outputs from AI models. It's an organized collection of your absolute best-performing prompts, designed for easy access, reuse, and constant improvement. The goal here is simple: move from guessing to a reliable system, so you're not reinventing the wheel every single time. It's like a chef's recipe book, but for AI. Why bother building one? Well, a prompt library offers 4 huge benefits that will transform your AI interactions. First, efficiency. Stop typing the same prompts over and over. With a library, you find and reuse a proven prompt in seconds. It's a massive time saver. Second, consistency. When you've got a prompt that works perfectly for, say, scripting a YouTube short or generating website copy, saving it means you can replicate that success and get predictable results every single time. Third, quality and refinement. Your library isn't static, it's a living document. You track which prompts work best, you tweak them, and you continuously improve your results. This iterative process truly unlocks more potential from AI. And finally, scalability. Whether you're sharing best practices with a team or just trying to remember your own brilliant ideas months later, a library makes your AI interactions more effective across the board. So what actually goes into a great prompt entry? It's not just the prompt itself. You need crucial metadata. You'll want a title like YouTube Short Script Generator. Then, the actual prompt, the text you copy and paste. Remember to use clear placeholders like topic or question. And here's where we get into prompt engineering best practices. For your prompt to be truly effective, always put your instructions at the beginning and separate them clearly with # or triple quotes. Be specific, descriptive, and detailed about what you want: the context, the outcome, the length, format, style. Instead of write a poem about OpenAI, try write a short, inspiring poem about OpenAI, focusing on the recent DALL-E product launch in the style of a famous poet. Also, don't just tell the desired output format. Giving examples of how you want the information structured makes a huge difference. For complex tasks, consider few-shot prompting. Provide a couple of examples directly in your prompt. This helps the model understand your desired structure or tone. And always, tell the AI what to do instead of what not to do. Provide alternatives. Back to our prompt entry. You'll also want to define the goal/objective, a one-sentence summary of what the prompt achieves. Add metadata like the AI model used, Gemini, ChatGPT 4.0, etc., and tags category for easy searching. And a super important one, an example output. This shows you exactly what to expect. Finally, you can optionally include parameters like temperature for creativity or max_completion_tokens for length. Let me show you how these principles and my prompt library have helped me in real projects. I needed a Google form for my AI agent services. Instead of building it field by field, I used a prompt that referenced an existing general request form and my AI agent webpage. My prompt to Gemini was: I want to create a form for my AI agent services similar to the attached general request form based on the information from the attached docagent_ page, which is just the copy of the page from my website. How should I prompt Google Forms to get the best result? The result was a well-constructed prompt for Google Forms that saved me a ton of time. Now, that specific prompt is saved in my library for any future form generation. For my website, I wanted new pages to match the style of my existing ones. So, I took screenshots of my AI agents and automation pages and prompted Gemini to create text for a new data service page using that visual context. The result? Perfect text and image ideas that matched my site's aesthetic. This prompt is invaluable for maintaining my brand's voice. I wanted to repost about data science, data engineering, and data analysis, but also integrate AI into the discussion. I used ChatGPT to analyze an image from an existing LinkedIn post and suggest where I could fit. My prompt was: I came across this LinkedIn post that read something like, What's the difference between data science, data engineering, and data analysts? And the attached image was given to show a type of graph, to show the differences and where they overlap. I would like to make a repost that can be eye-catching, and also suggest a place to add AI to the graph. First, you see AI, or something that could be categorized as AI in the image. If there is a general term that embodies AI, could I justify placing it in a place that overlaps data engineering and data science? The outcome was better than expected. The image suggestions and text were exactly what I needed for an engaging post. These are all now carefully documented. Convinced yet? Great! Let's get practical. You don't need fancy software. A simple Google Sheet is a fantastic starting point. First, create a new Google Sheet. Title it My AI Prompt Library. Next, set up your columns for title, the prompt, goal/objective, AI model, tags/category, and example output. You can add others like temperature or date last used. Then, start adding entries. Whenever you get a fantastic AI output, copy the exact prompt, write its goal, assign some tags, and crucially, paste in that example output. This helps you verify and remember its effectiveness. Finally, organize and refine. Use filters to find prompts by category. As you use them, you'll inevitably find ways to improve them. Update your entries. This continuous refinement is key. Building your first AI prompt library isn't just about organizing text. It's about building a powerful tool that will save you time, ensure consistent quality, and allow you to continually refine your interactions with AI. Now, it's true that AI is evolving fast. Some experts even predict AI might soon write prompts itself, or intuit our intentions without explicit prompts. But the skill of clearly defining your desired outcome will always be valuable, no matter how sophisticated AI gets. Also, remember, AI isn't flawless. It can sometimes hallucinate or perpetuate biases. Your prompt library, coupled with your critical eye on the outputs, helps you navigate these challenges and harness AI more effectively. So, don't wait. Start building your AI prompt library today. Unlock a new level of efficiency, consistency, and creativity in all your AI endeavors. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more AI insights, and let me know in the comments if you've already started a prompt library, or if you're going to after watching this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.